I am a facilitator of the Emotional Culture Deck. I'm going to show you some ways to have a play and use the deck, and I hope that this gets your creative juices flowing. It's literally like speed dating with the deck. We're going to have 4 different types of dates. There's going to be a date around how we do check-ins with teams. There's going to be a date around how do we lead people through change. There's going to be a date around leadership, and then there's going to be a date around stakeholders. So it's 4 different lenses.
I felt encouraged just with the amount of sharing that went on in our groups and the different groups that we were in. Just really encouraged how accessible this makes those emotional conversations and how deep we were able to get, and the vulnerability and the bravery really that people had. So that's really encouraging just to see that in action.
This is going to be quite a fast-moving workshop. It's going to be really interactive. The key thing is that emotions have such wisdom. And the thing about emotions is wherever we go, they're with us. So what we need to do is look at how we attend to them. And that's what you'll start to see as we go through.
What really surprised me about the workshop was how easily people can start talking about their emotions by using the deck itself. It's like a prompt that helps people open up.
I would absolutely recommend this workshop to people. I'm going to go back to work and recommend it to people I work with. I think that getting the practical experience as well as meeting different people from different organisations and hearing the different uses of the cards was absolutely amazing.
Emotions can help us answer some beautiful questions. Change is not a decision of the mind but of the heart. There is no good or bad, only thinking makes it so.